sorry for calling. I really am. But there's stuff you need to know. Why'd you bother calling? You're talking your tongue after all the time that's passed. We hung out for a few, said you'd call me real soon, but I know you're better than that. What you do is pathetic. Could you be this messed up and just leave without goodbye? You can nothing for me, be better, you see. You never even said hi, but I miss you so bad, and I can't understand. I'm sorry for calling, so now I really am. Every time I let you back inside.